Here I have Sony Xperia 1 Mark III, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Settings, then go to the System section, and then to the Backup. Here you have to enable this feature, and then what you'll have to do is to add your Google account. Of course you need internet connection to do this. So here you have to enter your email or phone number, then tap Next, and you have to enter your password. Tap Next. Then you have to agree with Google's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, and at last what you will have to do is to tap Accept here, then OK, and your device will be ready to the backup. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.